So, me and my love are Skyping right now, and he is about to sing me a beautiful song. Okay? So check him out. Go ahead, love.
Alright, this is called, it's Michael Jackson's Lady in My Life. So, hopefully I won't mess up the words, but it's how I remember it, singing it and stuff. Is this going on YouTube or something?
I don't know, just sing, love.
Yeah. There'll be no darkness tonight, Lady, your love will shine. Just put your trust in my heart and meet me in paradise. Girl, you're every wonder in this world to me. A treasure time won't steal away. So listen to my heart, lay your body close tonight. Let me fill you with my dreams. I can make you feel alright. And baby, through the years, when we're getting old and gray, won't you promise me this day that you will always be the lady in my life? Stay with me. I want you to stay with me. Girl, I need you one more time.
Woo!
Don't you go nowhere. I wanna keep you warm. You're in my life now. I need you, girl. All over, all over, all over. Yeah. So that's it.
Aww. He's so good. Let's say hi to me and my love. Hold on. Let's watch this.
Let's say hi to me.
Here we go. Hold on.
Hi.
Hi. We're together. We're together. See, we're close together. Kiss. Kiss. Mwah. We love each other. See, we're together. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh. That's my baby. See, he's alive. He's alive. You're cute. Okay. Bye. Say bye.
Say bye.